This building was being constructed in 1787, when you might say our country was being constructed. Because in 1787, Congress met in the State House and they were writing the Constitution. And they write the Constitution over there. The next year, enough of the states will ratify the Constitution, and then elections were held, and the first Congress convened, not here. Nope, this is not completed until 1789, and Congress just went back to the old place that the former Congresses had last met, New York City. But they take this Constitution, and the question is, got two questions. Will this Constitution work? Some people say it's too innovative. Secondly, if it does work, the system of checks and balances, will the people accept it as the law of the land? And we passed those tests here in the first 10 years. So when Congress picks up the Constitution, in it says, this time, unlike under the Articles of Confederation, this time we're going to have a national capital. So where should it be? And first Congress has to decide where it will be. Everybody wants it in their backyard. Wouldn't you want it in your backyard? All those free trips to the Smithsonian, right? Not yet. In fact, there was nothing there. So they choose a location on the banks of the Potomac River because the Virginians and the Marylanders campaigned the hardest for it. And they were willing to give up a few votes for a different bill so they could get the capital. And who gets the consolation prize? The city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, largest city in North America with 50,000 people. They just finished this building to be their county courthouse. And they offered to Congress free of charge. For 10 years they meet here. And the House of Representatives met over here and upstairs the Senate. In fact, when they moved in, the walls were neat. But what must we do every 10 years according to the Constitution to determine how many people represent here? What do we do?
Census.
The census, exactly. So they counted the people in 1790. As a result, they had to add over 40 seats. So the county of Philadelphia enlarged the county courthouse, and they went from 65 members to 106. Every chair, every congressman is representing 30,000 people. So how does that feel to you today to be sitting here in this room representing 30,000 people? Ready to get to work? You see this lack of energy? Thank you. What state do you represent, sir?
New York.
New York. How many New Yorkers are here today? 1, 2, 3. Good showing, New York, but we're missing a few. Please tell our colleagues if you don't show up today, you don't get your $6. That's the pay. But no show, no pay. What do you think, members of the House? Is that a motivating rule?
Yes.
Should we vote this as a forever rule?